Hello students, in this session I will discuss enhancing qualitative characteristics. So the usefulness of financial information is enhanced if it is comparable, verifiable, timely, and understandable. So these four qualitative characteristics enhance the usefulness of financial information. These qualitative characteristics do not make the financial information useful, but the information that is already useful is made more useful. So these four qualitative characteristics make the financial information more useful. These four characteristics increase the usefulness of financial information. So information is comparable. If it is comparable, information is more useful. So for example, current year revenue figure, it is $800,000. Now, is this information comparable? Can it be compared with similar information about other entities? Can you compare revenue figure for ABC company with other entities in the same industry? So what is the current year revenue for competitors X company, Y company, Z company? What is the revenue? So current year revenue figures, $900,000, $1.5 million, $300,000. All right. Yes, it can be compared. Comparability. This information is more useful if it can be compared with similar information about other entities. This information is comparable if it can be compared for another period. So can this current year revenue be compared with last year revenue? If this current year is year 8, then can it be compared with last year revenue? Yes, or can it be compared with year 6 revenue? Yes, then it is comparable. And comparability enhances the usefulness of financial information. If financial information is verifiable, then it enhances the usefulness of financial information. That is, different observers could reach consensus. So different people, different experts would reach consensus, would agree that, okay, yes, the representation is faithful, information is complete, neutral, without errors. Different experts would reach to the same conclusion. For example, if you represent that cash in office is $10,000, but you have $10,000 cash in your office drawer, then is this information verifiable? When different people count cash, they reach to consensus. They reach to the same conclusion that yes, cash is $10,000. Information can be verified. It is verifiable. Information is timely. So information is timely available to the users. If information is old, it is not that useful. So it should be timely available to the users of the financial statements. Information should be understandable, properly classified, presented, clear, concise. That you may say that information is understandable. So these four qualitative characteristics are enhancing qualitative characteristics because these characteristics increase the usefulness of financial information. All right, students, I'm sure that now you have a good understanding of enhancing qualitative characteristics. So stay connected, keep learning. Goodbye.